Waterfall. Also found a footprint, a big old footprint. Oh, look at this over here.
We might have also saw a figure.
Austin said he saw a gray figure too.
Like a
deep in the woods.
Figure.
Charcoal. That's beautiful. Look at that. Now, Austin, tell me about the figure.
It was around. I could have sworn. We were standing right about where like the little high, the main, where high the road was.
Yeah.
And
keep going.
Keep
going, Buck.
We were talking to some people, you know, talking to them and all that. And
they're from Utah.
Yeah. I was standing right near you when I looked over and I saw this. It looked like it was 8 foot 9.5 feet tall.
Oh, really?
The mean for big feet is always around, you know, 8.5 feet tall. It was pretty tall.
What do you call a bunch of Bigfoot altogether?
Big feet?
No. Run like hell. Or, oh shit.
Yeah. But still, I looked over. I thought my eyes were deceiving me at first. I'm like, that'd be some guy in a suit. But it was just standing there. And normally if it was a guy in a suit, it didn't yell nor scream. It didn't make the howling noise.
So he observed us.
Yeah. He didn't see us as threats. He didn't see us as anything. He saw us as this. If there's people fighting around.
Oh, right here's where you want to look for prints, too. A lot of mud if they come through here. I see people walk through here.
Yeah.
I see some footprints with shoes, but nothing with toes. Just shoes. We're not walking through there. I'm not ruining my shoes.
Wait a minute.
What's that there? You see that?
That's probably the back end of my shoe.
No, that looks like a paw. That looks like bear. No, that looks like bear.
That's a hoof print.
No, it's not. See the pad? And it looks like maybe claws up there.
Oh god, we're in bear territory.
No.
We gotta go quick.
It's not fresh. Cool. It's mud. That'd be a big ass bear.
Wait.
What? Oh, is this back here where that thing was?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, look back here.
Because I saw him elevation, so it might have been standing on something when it was walking away. When we got close to it, like in this area.
Ow!
You hear me?
Yep, look at through here. You behind me, son, bro?
Ow, yeah.
There's the big rocks.
I could have sworn it was standing right up there. Because there was a lot of brush near it.
Here.
You hear me? You hear me though?
Yep. Oh, I don't know what this is, and I'm not about to walk by it and it'd be poison.
It's not poison. The leaves aren't shiny.
Yeah?
Yeah. They're darker in color.
Look at that, red. Red on that one.
Yeah, red doesn't always mean poison, dum-dum.
Does to me. Dum-dum want gum-gum. Go between the trees.
Which you cannot go through, but I can. Ah.
You were saying?
That's because you flicked the damn tree limb at me.
No, I didn't. There was no tree limb there. Hold it. Shh. There's something crack up there.
That was me.
No. That was up there. Right up there I heard something.
I heard it.
Hold this.
I'm going to do something, okay? I'm going to do how Shane Day does it. Okay? Hold the camera.
Sound aggressive. Last thing you want to do is sound aggressive.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
I hear birds.
That's about it.